Choosing a free VPN for your PC can be risky. Some slow your internet to a crawl, others limit you to just a few minutes of use per day, and a few can even put your privacy at risk. That's why guessing isn't a good idea. Instead, I tested and researched the best free VPNs for PC in 2026, focusing on real-world performance, security, privacy, data limits, and overall usability. In this video, we're counting down from number 5 to number 1. Starting with beginner-friendly options and ending with the best free VPN you can actually rely on long-term. By the end, you'll know exactly which free VPN fits your needs and which ones you should avoid. Let's begin. At number 5 is TunnelBear, one of the most beginner-friendly VPNs available. TunnelBear's biggest strength is how easy it is to use. The interface is clean, friendly, and simple, making it ideal for anyone using a VPN for the first time. You open the app, click one button, and your connection is instantly secured, with no complicated setup or technical settings to worry about. TunnelBear is owned by McAfee, a well-known name in cybersecurity, which adds a layer of trust that many free VPNs don't have. It offers a verified no-logs policy, meaning your browsing activity isn't tracked or stored. TunnelBear works on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, making it a reliable option for basic protection across devices. However, the biggest limitation is its data cap. The free plan provides just 500 megabytes per month, which can be increased to around 2 gigabytes through small bonuses. This is enough for light browsing or checking email, but it quickly becomes limiting if you plan to stream, game, or download files. Streaming services are blocked, torrenting isn't supported, and the free plan only allows one device at a time. Because of these restrictions, TunnelBear earns its place at number 5 as a safe and simple introduction to VPNs, but not a long-term solution. At number 4 is Windscribe, which offers noticeably more flexibility than TunnelBear. Windscribe provides 10 gigabytes of free data each month, giving users far more breathing room for browsing, occasional streaming, and light downloads. It also allows multiple devices to connect at the same time, which is useful if you switch between a PC and a phone. The interface strikes a good balance between simplicity and control. You can connect quickly with a single click, but you also have access to features like built-in ad blocking and a firewall that prevents data leaks outside the VPN tunnel. These extras make Windscribe appealing to users who want more than just basic protection without paying. That said, Windscribe isn't perfect. Speed can slow down during peak hours, and the free servers don't always work reliably for streaming. Torrenting may work, but performance varies depending on server load. While Windscribe claims a no-logs policy, it's based in Canada, which may be a concern for users who prioritize maximum privacy. Even with these drawbacks, Windscribe remains a strong free VPN for users who want generous data and added features. At number 3 is PrivadoVPN, a well-balanced option that sits comfortably between beginner simplicity and advanced functionality. PrivadoVPN offers 10 gigabytes of free data per month and access to multiple server locations, which helps improve speeds and makes it easier to bypass geo-restrictions. For a free VPN, its performance is surprisingly reliable. However, the biggest limitation is its data cap. The free plan provides just 500 megabytes per month, which can be increased to around 2 gigabytes through small bonuses. This is enough for light browsing or checking email, but it quickly becomes limiting if you plan to stream, game, or download files. PrivadoVPN uses modern encryption protocols like WireGuard and OpenVPN and includes a kill switch to prevent accidental IP leaks if the connection drops. The app is easy to install and navigate, making it accessible even for users without technical experience. It also works with some streaming platforms, which gives it an advantage over many other free VPNs. The downside is that the 10 gigabytes monthly limit can run out quickly if you stream frequently, and only one device can be connected at a time. Torrenting is supported, but speeds depend heavily on server availability. While its no-logs policy hasn't yet been independently audited, PrivadoVPN still offers a strong mix of speed, security, and usability, earning it the number 3 spot. At number 2 is Hide.me, a VPN that focuses heavily on privacy and security. In some regions, Hide.me offers unlimited free data, which is extremely rare for a free VPN. It also allows torrenting on the free plan, making it an attractive option for users who download files while wanting to stay private. Hide.me stands out for its security credentials. It uses strong encryption with protocols like WireGuard and OpenVPN, includes a kill switch and leak protection, and has an independently audited no-logs policy. This level of transparency makes it one of the most trustworthy free VPNs available. There are still some limitations. The free plan supports only one device and offers a limited number of server locations. Streaming options are also restricted, meaning it's not ideal for unblocking major platforms. Even so, Hide.me delivers an experience that feels closer to a paid VPN than most free alternatives, which is why it ranks so highly. At number 1 is Proton VPN, the best free VPN for PC in 2025. What truly sets Proton VPN apart is its unlimited free data. Unlike most free VPNs that restrict usage after a few gigabytes, Proton VPN allows you to browse, work, and stream without worrying about hitting a data cap. Proton VPN is based in Switzerland, a country known for its strong privacy laws, and it has a verified no-logs policy. It uses powerful encryption to keep your data secure and includes essential features like a kill switch and DNS leak protection. These safeguards make it suitable not just for casual browsing, but also for protecting sensitive online activity. The app itself is clean, professional, and easy to use. You can connect with a single click or manually choose from multiple free server locations. To optimize speed and access region-specific content, while the free plan limits you to one device at a time, the unlimited data and strong security more than make up for it. When everything is considered, Proton VPN delivers the most reliable and unrestricted free VPN experience available today. It proves that free doesn't have to mean unsafe or unusable. As we wrap up this countdown, it's clear that the choice of VPN depends on your needs. If you're new to VPNs and want simplicity, TunnelBear is a safe starting point. If you want more features, free data, and flexibility, Windscribe, PrivadoVPN, and Hide.me all provide solid options. But if your priority is unlimited free data with verified privacy and reliable performance, Proton VPN stands above them all. Choosing the right VPN can transform your online experience, keeping your data secure, giving you access to global content, and providing peace of mind while browsing. Each of the VPNs on this list has its strengths, but Proton VPN proves that free doesn't have to mean limited or insecure. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tech guides.